So, hi Wow Life, another video, another share guys, another POV. So, ngayon, syempre, gusto ko lamang batiin ng happy birthday para sa nag-iisang Carla Tupular. Napakaganda naman ng babae na yan, grabe na yan. So, syempre, bago ang lahat, don't forget to support and subscribe Kuya Val Santos Matubang, Ate Edna Vlog, Kalingap Rab, at sa lahat ng Team Kalingap. Syempre guys, salamat sa support at pagmamahal nyo sa aming mga Kalingap reactors. So, ngayon, pag-uusapan natin, walang iba, ang isa sa mga pinakamagandang Kalingap Angel na talaga namang hanggang ngayon, nagniningning. So, bale, if I'm not mistaken, bali 3 beses na siya nag-birthday dito sa Kalingap. And today is her 20th birthday. So happy birthday, Carla Bell. Ayun, ano pa ba ang mawi-wish ko sa'yo? Ang ganda mo na kasi, ang sexy mo na. Nakikita ko yung improvement, nakikita ko yung goal, nakikita ko yung determinasyon. Grabe yung growth ni Carla sa taong 2025 and mas lalo pa yan ngayong 2026. Syempre, good health, 'di ba? As always. So, grabe naman. And isa pa dyan, isa sa mga nakakahanga ay binatilong naman dyan ng Pinoy history ng happy birthday. So, syempre, babasahin natin ang mahabang message ng Pinoy history. So, babasahin natin sa abot ng ating kakayahan. So, yun, happy birthday Miss Carla Tupular. Ay, grabe naman. Favorite talaga tong si Carla dito kay Pinoy history, no? Para bang lahat ng kaganapan ng buhay ni Carla dito sa Kalingap, syempre, ay alam ni Pinoy history. So, ayan. Happy birthday, Miss Carla Tupular. Carla Tupular is one of the active members of the charitable vlogger group Team Kalingap, a community widely recognized for its advocacy of kindness, generosity, and service to those in need. Through her active involvement, she consistently uses her platform to promote compassion, social responsibility, and positive influence in the digital space. Nako, napakalalim ng mga English na to. Bahala na kayong umintindi dyan. Pero pakilagay ko, ang ganda-ganda eh. Sige, basahin na muna natin and then later on, syempre, mag-comment tayo. In recognition of her meaningful impact, Tupular was nominated twice as Most Admired Vlogger, earning admiration not only for her beauty but more importantly for her genuine kindness, humility, and sincere connection with her audience. Correct. Among female vloggers in the country, she stands out as a true inspiration, proving that real influence is measured by the good it brings to others. Oh my God, grabe naman. Together with Tupular, her teammates were recognized among the top bloggers of 2025, highlighting the strong collective impact of Team Kalingap in the digital community. Kalingap Rab earned an impressive 15th place, Royal Mlalag secured 67, and Kalingap Dan ranked 119th. O, diba? Lakas ni Kalingap Rab, no? Beyond individual accolades, Tupular was celebrated as part of the Best Love Team of 2025 alongside her real-life partner, Jomar Jack Jacob, while Team Kalingap earned 6th place in the Best Group of the Year category. These honors underscore not only their popularity but also their meaningful contributions to online beyond individual. Tupular was celebrated as part of saan ba to? Honors Anderson and Tupular, but also their meaningful contributions to online communities through teamwork, positivity, and charitable initiatives. So yon, grabe naman, napakaganda ng mensahe ni Pinoy history. Ang ibig sabihin niya is maganda si Carla. beautiful inside and out, 'di ba? Totoo naman 'yan. Kung usaping kagandahan sa panglabas ay nako naman, lumalaban si Carla diyan ng patas. And syempre naman pagdating naman sa kagandahang loob, of course, yes na yes. Um, kaya siguro kahit ilang taon na ang Jomcar, magti 3 years actually, this 2026, pero still malakas, ano pa rin, sinusundan pa rin ng mga tao, hinahanap. Grabe yung epekto ni Carla sa mga manonood niya. Sure naman na talagang namimiss siya ng libo-libong manonood kapag medyo matagal nga yung vlog, ay talaga namang medyo nanghihina din yung mga fans. Anyways, Carla Bell, once again, happy birthday, more birthdays to come. Stay pretty and healthy and sexy. Of course, alam ko naman ang dami mong plano, ang dami mong goal sa buhay, sigurado ako. Nursing, aside sa pagiging nursing student, of course, meron ka pang negosyo, o 'di ba? Isa to sa mga pinaka-successful na Kalingap Angel talaga, na grabe yung determinasyon talaga, as in. So, hangang-hanga naman ako kay Carla kasi sobra din naman yung pinagdadaanan niya sa mga bashing, pero instead of malungkot at umiyak at alam mo yon, pumatol, hindi na lang. Bash is cash, o diba? So, true. Kaya nga yung cosmetics niya is inspired with mga bashers niya. Kasi yung mga bashers niya, mima lang yan, puro mima lang yan. At the end of the day, siya yung gagawa ng kanyang pangalan. Dito syempre sa Sokmed, she is beautiful inside and out, indeed, 'di ba? Ang ganda-ganda ni Carla diyan. Ay nako po. Grabe naman si Pinoy history. It's giving very VIP. So ayan Carla, stay strong of course, kasi sigurado naman ako na bilang isang sikat at hindi maiwasan talaga ang mga chismis, ang mga issues, pero alam ko naman na kayang-kaya mo na yan. And of course, andyan si Kalinga Prab, Kuya Val, Ate Edna, at yung mga magulang mo, and the rest of your mga kaibigan. Sigurado naman ako na every time na kailangan mo ng kausap, of course, andyan si Kalingap Jomar, na siya namang shoulder to cry on. Wala na, I can say na nasa kanya na ang lahat, guys. Yes, nasa kanya na ang lahat. Kagandahan, kasikatan, kasiksihan, ano pa ba? Love life, of course. Okay. Kompleto na si Carla Bell. So yun, she has to maintain lang lahat ng mga bagay-bagay, and just go with the flow, and wag masyadong magpapapekto sa mga bashing. Well, I doubt it kung nagpapapekto ba si Carla, because sa nakikita ko sa kanya ngayon, sobrang glow niya ngayon. Iba yung kagandahan ni Carla ngayon, lalo na yung episode today. Kanina, tonight actually. Diba, ang ganda ni Carla doon, napaka-simple lang, wala masyadong kolorete, pero pack na pack, diba? So, yun. Ayun na. Happy birthday, and stay pretty, and many more success, of course, and yun lang, more travels, and nasa kanya na kasi ang lahat, diba? Ang nakakabilib din kasi dahil sobrang sikat na niya, at napaka-humble, at nanatiling kalingap, and syempre malaking bagay yon na tuloy-tuloy pa din ang Jomcar. Malaking tulong yon, of course, sa kalingap para umikot pa yung mga pagtulong na ginagawa ni Kalingap Rap. So okay, and ayun, stay strong sa buong team Kalingap, syempre, diba? And of course, healthy mind. And salamat sa inyong lahat, guys. Comment down below, guys, kung ano ba ang message nyo para kay Carla. Yes.